Today we're going to review this plasma cutter. It's from Best Arc, model number BTC500DP, and it's capable of 50 amps and cutting right about half inch thick material. So that's pretty cool. It's dual voltage, 110, 220. Obviously you need 220 to go into thicker materials and so forth. But anyway, these things are becoming really inexpensive. This model here, $199 to $240, depending if there's a coupon available or whatever. So I'll throw a link down in the video description where you can get it from Amazon. Huge thanks to Best Arc. They provided this model for this video, so we will just test it out. All right, let's look at the front here. Let's look at some of the controls. Right here you have pressure adjust, so you can just dial that to what you want. Right here it says 110 volt, 20 to 40 psi, and then when you're in the 220 volt version, 30 to 60 psi. And also here is the amperage. So you can see that it only goes up to 35 in the 110 mode, and when we switch to 220, we can bump that up to 50. All right. So there's that. Also, you're going to want to set the air pressure by hitting this button, and it's going to allow the air to flow because it always drops when it flows, right? So we'll go to air. So you can see that it dropped to 0. So let's crank that up. Let's go to 30 psi. Okay. And then here is 2T, 4T, and like post flow. So 2T is you got to hold the trigger down for cutting. 4T, I believe, is trigger on, trigger off for whatever. And then here is your post flow. After you release the trigger, it cools the consumables there. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's go ahead and try it out. So that's a nice looking cut, pretty clean. Obviously I used a straight edge, but I barely messed with the settings. I just chose, 23 amps and 30 psi, and boom. The aluminum didn't come out as clean, but I used the jagged edge as a straight edge. But in any case, that's that. All right, so that was full blast, 50 amps. I tried 30 psi, 40 psi, 50 psi. Still got to get acquainted with the settings and whatnot, but it works regardless. And that was half inch thick, man. I'm getting a little bit of blob here. I think I might be moving too slow and it's just melting. But anyway, I can mess with the settings to probably get a cleaner cut. But, that doesn't take much grinding to get it, flat. Still smoking hot. But yeah, it's powerful, it's fast, it works, man. So that's pretty cool. All right, so that's gonna do it for this video. Again, the link is in the video description. It's a nice little unit. It's very capable. It's not too expensive. And this will be perfect for the shop. I got my MIG and my TIG over there, so I'll find a spot for it on the cart, and it'll just be great for fab work.